Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove your Google account from your Android phone. If you want to remove your Google account from your phone, or if you have logged into your Gmail on another person's phone and now you want to remove it, then this video is for you. I have got your back with the simplest solution. In your Gmail app, when you click on Manage Google Account, as you can see there is no remove option anywhere. Then where's the remove option? Don't worry, we will sort it out in your phone settings. Now, head over to Settings, then scroll down until you find Passwords and Accounts or Accounts and Sync, click on it. Once you are in the Accounts menu, pick the Google account you want to remove, click on it, and then Remove Account. Boom! Your phone just got lighter. Manage your accounts, find the one you want gone, and hit Remove Account. Super easy, right? Let me check if my Google account has been removed from the Gmail app or not. Wow, it's gone. So there you have it. With this simple trick, you can clean up your Android phone in a jiffy. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.